Installation instructions to install pivot awnings. The following instructions apply to all forms of installation using a headbox. Open the headbox front cover by unscrewing the bottom front screw on the headbox end cap. Repeat on the opposite side. Pull out the idle end locking pin and remove the roller tube idle end first. For reveal fit, the screw is not required to be refitted to secure the front cover in place, as a clip is installed in the headbox to lock into place. Drill the headbox back plate. Always secure the headbox back panel through the installation bracket or spreader plate. If there are no substantial fixing points at the ends of the headbox, a spreader plate can be added. It can also be used on awnings over 3.5 metres wide as an additional centre fixing point. First, check the overall height against the order and mark accordingly. Determine the centre of the headbox over the opening. Position the headbox. Check the level. Install the headbox. With a crank control, insert the crank gear pin end of the roller into the crank gear. Insert pivot pin into idle end of the tube, ensuring that the rubber O-ring is located into the second groove on the pin. Lift roller over the installation bracket and down, so pivot pin sits inside the pivot plate. Insert the idle locking pin to secure the roller. To determine the fixing position of the arm, measure the arm length from the top of the arm to the centre of the bottom fixing hole plus 40 millimetres and transpose this measurement from the bottom of the headbox to determine where to fit the arm. Install pivot arms using appropriate fixings. Do not stand directly in front of arms whilst doing this, as the pivot arms have a high tension spring and injury can occur if the arm is accidentally released before being securely attached. Arms should be positioned within 500 millimetres of the ends of the bottom rail. Ensure the arms are perpendicular before securing the arm brackets to the nuts on the bottom rail. Check the operation of the awning. Insert the headbox front panel and snap into reveal clips or attach screws to secure. For pivot arm reveal installations, the awning should be ordered with extended bottom rail, and an angle bracket should also be ordered. This will provide a face to which the pivot arm can be mounted. The location of the angle bracket can be determined using the previous process.